Today, guys, we're having a barbecue. Here's the barbecue. And guess who else is here? The Chancellor! Oh, he's a little nuisance. He's got the... Today, guys, we're having a barbecue. Here's the barbecue. And guess who else is here? The Chancellor! Good boy. Go for the roll. Oh my god, damn, he's turned into a fish. He's chasing. Are you Muddy puddles. I'm Peppa Pig. Oh damn, my toes. Oh damn. Chase, what do you think? Oh, I think he's doing his toes himself. Oh no, he's got a bit tired now. Chase, you want to play swing ball, hey? Oh, let me go and get it for you. There we go. It's like... What? Chase! Jesus! Come here, Chase. Look. If you swing balls with it. Don't you like it, Chase? Yeah, I think he'd rather have food instead. What is you with mud right now, Chase? He's... Go on, Tracy. Go on, do it. Go on, roll. Do it, go on. Oh, and he hears food. Oh. Hello, guys. I forgot to show my face, you know. Chase is getting all favourite. Being all favourite. What about me? You can't leave me out in a video. Hello there. And this is the point where you, come off the video. Guys, rate my Riz. Okay, that wasn't the best acting of me pretending to fall. Let me just... Guys, for this barbecue, I just got a matchstick. Look how big that thing is. Like, what are you going to set on fire? This looks like what they use for, like, nukes or something. Show my aura here right now. I'm a single Pringle ready to mingle. What? 1 minute. Oh. Okay, yes, I know. Wait. Okay, no, quit. For some reason, we got these, floaty balls. Damn. Chase, what do you think about these floaty balls, hey? Do you like floaty balls? Okay, bro does not care. You know what? I have a better. Okay, that doesn't work. Be careful. Fire, we will no longer be starved, will we, Chase? You don't have to go hunting anymore, knowing that you're a hunting dog. What do you think, Chase? Okay, bro does not care. Okay, we've got some ketchup, because we're going to do the actual cooking. So we've got the sauces we got is ketchup, some spicy ranch, you know. I always love spicy stuff. Then some hot stuff, because, you know, guys, I'm the Giga Chad. Meat-wise, we got, like, burgers. We got some chicken sausages, you know. And some steak. What else we got? I don't know what that is, but it's a type of meat. We got my drink. We got a little straw. Oh, wrong. Oh, that's my drink. Yeah, with the Minecraft, that's my drink. As well, let's shave my eyebrow. Cheese! Okay, we're putting some pork in. Some more. Got some pork. That's got a lot of fat on. We're cooking some pork. Alright. You can end it there if you want. Okay, we got the food on. And it's, fooding. There's Chez. He's came to see. Now there's food. He's came. Yeah, you excited for the food, Chase? No, he lifts his head up when I mention food, but yeah, oh damn. Okay, we got the cob. We're gonna make the burger now. Let me just go and get some sauce on it. Get some. Oh, that wasn't very nice, but let's get some ketchup. It does look like a lot. I'm hoping it's not that much. But what I'll do is like kind of press it in, and then the burger will kind of take the juices, I'm guessing, and then we'll put some cheese in, and then we got our burger, and that's how to make a McDonald's burger. Well, with McDonald's they also have mayo. No, not mayo. They have what's the yellow one? Mustard in it. So yeah, I don't have any mustard. I don't really like mustard that much. It's quite too spicy, and I don't know, it doesn't have the nicest of taste, but I love ketchup. Okay guys, we've made the burger. I'm gonna have a go at trying it, Here's the finished burger. And dip some in some sauce. I'll rate it out of 10. I've got extra cheese, I like my burger cheesy. I might have extra cheese again. It's really good with it. I like that, but I wouldn't know what to rate. I'd probably say 8 out of 10. It can't beat a McDonald's one, but it's good. Okay. Chase? Chase? Can you, Chase? Chase? Oh, there you are, you little, oh my God, look at Chase, guys. Chase, come here. Are you stuck, bro? Oh, I just didn't see that. Chase, okay, thank you. You're all dirty now.